Hello everyone. So today we will be making an accordion that we generally see in FAQs or in support pages like the one we are seeing here. So we will try to make an accordion somewhat of this sort. Now we will be jumping onto our React app. So here I have got Bootstrap installed. You can install Bootstrap package by going into the React Bootstrap page. They have a very well written documentation here. You also need to import the CSS in your index.js or app.js file. So I already have installed Bootstrap. So I'll go into the components and there I'll move to accordion. So we will be using this piece of code right here and our accordion will look somewhat like this. So what I'll do is I'll import this piece of code, not in our app.js, but we will be making a separate file for that. So let's call it accordion page.js, and in here we'll be first importing that line, and after that we won't be needing this. We'll copy this piece of code right here to this and we'll paste it here. So now we should be having an accordion, and I expect that it will cover the whole page. But before that we need to first import our accordion here for it to show. So we will be importing our accordion page. You can see it is already being imported. Now we will save both our files and head over to our React app. So it is taking up the whole space. Now we will add some basic styling. So you can make a whole CSS file. I'll just add some basic styling. So I will be using inline styles here. So for that I'll be needing a width. Let me give a width of 40%, then a margin top so that I can somewhat center it of 10%, and a margin left of 30%. So let me save this and head over to our app. Okay, so I have written styles. You got to write style and see. You see now it is centered. So we can put on links here or buttons here, whatever we want in our accordion body. So let me change the name. Let's go to that page and copy paste the name, whatever it is. Okay, so fix a problem. I'll go over here. Okay, so first let me, yeah, this would be a better view. So fix a problem. Then what they have done is added some links. So we will get rid of this part completely. And to add some links, we will do A. Let's call it troubleshoot. And then I'll use a href. So let's give this link only. You can use whatever link you need. This is just an example. And then I'll try to save the page and look how it seems. So we can see that we are getting a link here. You have to add some more styling. So if I, okay, let me just add an inline style here. That would be better. Okay. So what I'll do is I don't want no text decoration. So I'll do text decoration none. And see, there is no text decoration. So you can add few more links like this. Like I copied this. You can add few more and change the troubleshoot and write something like fixes. And if I save it, it's not coming in the next line. So for it to come in the next line, we will need to introduce a stack. So the stack is also from React Bootstrap. What we will do is we will write stack and then we will wrap it around our A tags, and I want some space in between, so I'll add a gap of maybe 1. I'll save and I'll see that we are getting it in the form of stack. So similar thing we can do for our accordion too. We can change the header, the body. We can introduce more accordion items by copying and pasting the same accordion item piece of code again and again. So this will be it for our accordions. I'll see you in our next video. Thank you for watching.